Yeah, so, hi. Ayun, unang-una sa lahat, happy birthday siya. I'm so happy kasi na-reach mo na, may bago ka na namang milestone sa buhay na na-reach. And I hope, and I pray to God na lagi ka niyang, bakit ka naiiyak? Lagi ka niyang protektahan, lagi ka niyang i-guide sa buhay mo. And I pray also na He will give you all the blessings that you deserve sa buhay. Ito, sabi mo kasi gumawa ng written message, hindi ko nakita yun. So, prinam ko siya. So, as a story, I bought you something. So, ayun. Happy birthday! I love you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Nikki Gallego. Next in line is Miss Riza Castillo. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Riza.
Ayan. Happy birthday, Shang. So, ang wish ko sa'yo is to continue choosing your path. I know nasa right path ka because we can all see na you are very hardworking dentistry student. And alam naman namin na kaya-kaya mo lahat despite all the pressure that you felt, that you are feeling right now. Basta don't forget to enjoy life. Don't be too hard on yourself also. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay. And mahaba yung message ko dito. Hindi ko na babasahin. Baka 11 na tayo matapos. Ayun lang. Happy birthday siya.
Alright, thank you so much for that heartfelt message, Miss Riza. Next in line is Miss Camille Rile. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Camille.
Happy birthday, Presha. As you start this exciting new chapter, always remember to be yourself. Chase your passions with all your heart, pursue your dreams, and face life challenges with courage. However, I want you to remember that life is also about having fun. Sabi nga niya, guys. And yeah, may your journey be filled with happiness, love, and incredible success. Just keep swimming. As a short quote from Finding Nemo, it's a simple and is an uplifting reminder to keep going, learning, and growing. So yeah, wishing you a happy birthday as special as you are and a future even brighter. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Camille. And now, let's call on Miss Trisha Taduran. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Trisha.
Ay, sorry po. Hi, Tresha. Grabe, feel ka na. Parang nagkita pa tayo, grade 7 tayo, di ba? Tapos, parang sabi mo, ako taray-taray ko pa noon. Grabe ka sa akin. First of all, happy 18th birthday, Tresha. I just want you to know how grateful I am to have you as my friend. You always been someone I can count on, and your creativity and passion, especially in crochet, never fail to amaze me. I hope you keep pursuing that passion of yours. Also, I know you make amazing dentist someday. I believe in you, and I'm so excited to see you achieve all of your dreams. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend. Enjoy your day. Love you. Yan na yan.
Thank you so much, Miss Trisha. And now, next in line is Miss Chermel Molina. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Molina.
Hello, Presha. Happy 18th birthday. Parang nasabi na nila lahat-lahat. So, ano pa ba sasabihin ko? So, alam ko naman na napakabuti mong anak. So, ang gusto ko lang sabihin, please continue. Ngayon na you are now in the adulthood, please continue na makinig pa rin sa mama at saka sa papa mo. Kasi, walang masama sa magulang. Lahat gusto nila mabuti para sa'yo. So, ang wish ko talaga sa'yo is focus ka sa studies mo. Alam ko naman na malayo ang mararating nun, na magiging successful ka in the near future. So, yun pa rin. Ang pinaka-highlight ko talaga sa'yo is lagi kang makikinig sa mga magulang mo. So, happy birthday ulit.
Wow, thank you so much po sa isa reminder para sa ating debutant, Ma'am Chair. And now, let's call Althea Paglikawan. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Althea.
Hi, Presha! So first of all, I want to greet you the happiest 18th birthday. You're now entering a new chapter of your life. I am so thankful na naging part ako ng special day mo. I only wish you all the best. I hope that you continue doing the things that makes you happy. Naalala ko nung una tayo nagkita nung grade 10, first day ko mag face-to-face classes. Ikaw yung isa sa unang taong bumugat sa akin noon. You did not hesitate to greet and hug me kahit sa online lang tayo naging magka-close. That shows how friendly and joyful person you are. I hope you continue to be that ray of sunshine to other people. Parang kailan lang sabay pa tayong mag-retouch sa CR. But it's been 2 years since then. Yung tatambay kami sa room nyo pag lunch break, random kain after class, and yung pagtambay natin sa archive. These moments might seem little, but for me, it means a lot. Thank you for being a part of my core memories sa JS junior high school life ko. You and the girls know how much I love and value our low maintenance friendship so much. I hope na sana tayo pa rin yung magkaka-circle until we reach our goals in life. Patayon, my future dentist. Enjoy the rest of your night. Happy birthday.
Wow, thank you, Miss Althea, for sharing those moments with our debutant. And now, let's have Miss Lian Barlan. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Lian.
Belated happy birthday, Presha. Thank you for being my friend and be one of the sweetest and geeky person I know. Through all the bondings I have with you for a short period of time sa SNCS. The first and best crochet maker na namata ko. And also the reason of our friendship. Never ko makakalimutan yung pinakauna kong pinagawa sa'yo. Na crochet na idadala-dala ko pa rin kahit saan. Lalo na sa school para makita ni Ma'am Roblox. Yung green na crochet, na cactus. I wish you nothing but the best in life. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw. May 18 be good to you and bring more love. Good luck, our future dentist.
Wow, thank you so much, Ma'am Lian. And now, let's have Miss Grace Galinza. Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Grace.
Happy birthday, Presha. Continue mo lang lahat ng mga ginagawa mo, pagsisikap mo. And alam ko, matutupad mo yun. We guide ka ni Lord, at patuloy ka niya po protection. And of course, lagi kang susunod pa rin. Sumunod ka pa rin lagi sa parents mo. Sabi nga, diba? Sabi ni Lord na obey your parents at mas maganda ang buhay in the future. And nakikita ko yung bata ng Presha na talagang masayahin. At ngayon na beautiful ka talaga. Stay sweet and lagi kang yung ipapakita mo yung mga talent mo, yung mga ginagawa mo, tuloy mo lang yun, then focus your studies, syempre. Para matupad mo yung gusto mong marating, yung something na ikaw na magiging dentist namin. Wow, gawin mo yung mga BBA friend mo, yung mami mo, kami magiging customer mo. Happy birthday!
Wow, isang malakas na palakpakan naman para kay Miss Grace for expressing her support para sa ating debutant. And now, let's call Miss Janice Marcaida. Palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Janice.
Happy birthday siya. 18 ka na, so enjoy mo yung moment na to. Nagsisimula na yung bagong milestone ng buhay mo. Sana huwag mong kalimutang pasalamatan yung Panginoon sa binigay niya sa iyong buhay at saka syempre yung pamilya mo. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Miss Janice. And now, let's go Miss Shay Megano. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Shay.
So, happy 18th birthday, Fresha. Grabe no, parang kailan lang, grade 10 tayo, yung mga girls at the back with Leandro, na laging napapagalitan ni Ma'am Sheena. I remember back then, we were less serious about sa mga pangarap natin, and we were very carefree. Yung tambay lang tayo ng tambay sa Boba Bear, walang iniisip. I was really happy when I saw you flourish sa CEU. Nakikita ko based sa mga stories mo, yung dedications and efforts mo. I was really proud of you, especially in moments where you learn when you fail. You're one of the most dedicated person I know who strives hard to achieve her goals and her career. For that, I wish you to achieve your dreams in becoming a dentist. So there are so many people out here who supports you, and I hope that you know that with enough guidance, matutupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. You deserve every single bit of your achievements, siya. And with that, happy 18th day ulit.
Wow! Palakpakan po natin si Miss Shane. Now, let's go to Miss Bea Reyes. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Bea.
First of all, happy 18th birthday. I can't believe na debut mo na ina-attendan ko ngayon kasi I can still remember when we were still little kids chatting in our classroom back in elementary. I'm really grateful that you befriended me back then because throughout the more or less 10 years that we have been friends, I have seen you grow and blossom into the person you are today. Even though we don't talk every day, you were there for the important parts of my life and I will be there for yours too. I wish that all of your prayers come true and that you have a wonderful and blessed life since I truly believe that you deserve it. I hope that whenever you're struggling with something, you would be able to look back on this day and remember all of the people here today celebrating you. Again, happy birthday, Prasha. I love you.
Wow! Thank you, Ma'am Bea.